So this is the Redmi Note 5, and you guys may know I already made a video about the Redmi Note 5 versus the Redmi Note 5 Pro, which one should you buy. But we haven't made any video about the unboxing of the Redmi Note 5. So I got a chance today from one of my friend, and so today we will unbox this and see what we get inside this box. Let's find out. So this is the Redmi Note 5 box. It's a black version 3GB 32GB variant. So let's open up this box. In terms of specs and the back panel, the phone is totally similar like the last year Redmi Note 4. First thing, we get a phone case with this phone, which is really good thing from the Xiaomi, and also we get a phone case with the Redmi Note 5 Pro too. You can watch the video, link is in my channel. And next thing, we get a phone itself, which is looking beautiful from the front but similar like the Redmi Note 4. We get some of the paperwork, a micro USB cable, a power brick, and a SIM ejector tool for the hybrid SIM slot. So now let's get back to the phone. So the display is 5.99-inch Full HD plus 18:9, and it's amazing. So on the right side, we get a volume rocker and power button. On the left is SIM slot, and on the downside it is a micro USB port with speaker grill, and on the top it has a 3.5mm headphone jack, air blaster, and a noise cancellation. On the back it has a 12 megapixel camera with fingerprint sensor, and on the front it has a 5 megapixel camera and proximity sensor and 18:9 display. So let's power on the device. And in terms of specs, it has a Snapdragon 625 processor, 4000 mAh battery, which is a really good thing in a 10,000 rupees budget. So you can see already system update is available, which is MIUI 9.5, and in this you will get a full screen display mode, means iPhone 10 gestures, so you can update that. So also you get a Android 7.1.2 Nougat, and you will get Android Oreo update very soon. So you can see the comparison side by side with the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The screen size is totally similar and both have Full HD plus display. So let's fire up the camera of both of these devices. The Redmi Note 5 Pro camera is much better than the Redmi Note 5 because the Redmi Note 5 Pro is much expensive. So you can see the picture quality of the Redmi Note 5 is also very good in the 10,000 rupees budget. So now let's take some samples, and you can see the quality of the picture is really great. So in terms of video department, you can see it can record 4K video, but in the Redmi Note 5 Pro you can't. The front facing camera is also really good, but it cannot take portrait selfies, but in the Redmi Note 5 Pro you can. So that's pretty much it guys. This is the quick unboxing of the Redmi Note 5, and if you guys like this video, then make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more videos, and I will see you guys soon in my next video.